were walking in the forest. They knew the forest was a dangerous place. They promised to remain close to each other in case of danger. Suddenly, a bear was approaching them. One of the friends quickly climbed a nearby tree, leaving the other friends behind. Other friends did not know how to climb up the tree. He lay down on the ground and remained there, breathless and pretended to be dead. Bear approached the friend laying on the ground. It started to smell his ear before slowly wandering off again. Because bears never touch those who are dead. Friend who hid in the tree came down. He asked his friend, "My dear friend, what secret did the bear whisper to you?" The friend replied, "The bear simply advised me never to believe a false friend." Moral: friend indeed, a friend indeed.